Running Facebook ads can feel like playing a game where someone else has all the cheat codes, but here's the truth. Most advertisers only scratch the surface of what Facebook's tools can actually do. They leave money on the table, miss golden opportunities, and waste their budgets on ads that don't convert. But not you. At least not after today, because by the end of this video, you'll have 7 actionable tactics that will help you outsmart, outpace, and even outperform your competitors. Mix images and videos for maximum reach. Are you only running video ads because you heard they convert better? Or maybe you've stuck to images because they're cheaper to produce. Either way, you're leaving money on the table. Facebook and Instagram ads are shown in multiple placements like the Facebook feed, Instagram stories, Instagram Reels, Messenger, and even the audience network. Each of these placements has its own unique audience behaviors and content preferences. Videos might work great in Facebook feeds because they tell a story, but quick eye-catching images can outperform videos in Instagram stories, where people scroll quickly and make snap decisions. What happens when you only stick to one format? You limit your ad placements. By using both, you expand your reach and give Facebook's algorithm more to work with. It's kind of like you go to a buffet and they have fried chicken and mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese, but you just stick with the mashed potatoes. I don't blame you, but you gotta try the fried chicken and the macaroni and cheese. It's all great stuff. So what I'm trying to get to is mix it up a little bit. Test a variety of videos, images, and carousel ads, maybe some GIF ads. Let Facebook's algorithm figure out what works best for each placement. Your job is to feed it options. Next, we got enhanced targeting with CRM data. Facebook's ad tracking isn't as powerful as it used to be. Privacy updates and changes in how data is collected have made it much harder for the platform to identify your ideal customers.
Man, you're on Facebook. Why you been telling people you're not on Facebook? People want to be your friend, man.
And even track them and feed the data back to the platform. But there's a solution many advertisers overlook: leveraging your CRM data. I want you to think about it. You already have a goldmine of information sitting in your CRM, your email list. These are people who've interacted with your business before, maybe even purchased something. Why not use that data to create highly targeted ads? All you need to do is export your email list and upload it into Facebook Ads Manager. The platform will then match those emails to user profiles. This lets you target these people directly or even create lookalike audiences to reach new customers who behave like your existing ones. This approach fills in the gaps left by pixel tracking. It's simple, effective, and something your competitors might not be doing. Up next on the plate, we got the hidden backbone of your ad account. Imagine you're running a Facebook ad account with over 10 active ads, targeting different audiences, locations, and goals. Now, when you scan your results, you notice one ad that has spent $2,000, but only delivered a ROAS of 1.91. Meanwhile, other ads in the account are hitting 2.82 or even higher. The instinct? Pause the underperformer to save money. But that's a common misstep. This low performing ad might actually be a supportive ad, a crucial piece in your ad ecosystem. Facebook's algorithm allocates budget to these ads because they indirectly boost overall performance. They actually might be engaging users who later convert through stronger ads or building traffic for effective retargeting. Therefore, pausing a supportive ad can disrupt the entire account, potentially reducing your overall return on ad spend by 1 to 2%. Over time, this small drop can snowball into bigger losses as more ads are paused. That said, if an ad shows an unusually high click-through rate but fails to convert, like 3x your account's average click-through rate, it's likely targeting the wrong audience. In most cases, pausing a situation like this for the ads is the right call. All right, then I want you to double down on your top performing products. One of the easiest ways to waste your Facebook ad budget is by trying to advertise every product in your catalog equally. But here's the hard truth. Not all your products are created equal. I'm sorry to tell you that. Some bring in the majority of your revenue, while others barely break even.
You lose! Good day, sir!
And each one has their own margins, right? So the key is identifying your top performing products, most in demand, and cheapest costs, right? To create with highest returns, right? And focus on your ad spend on those. Let me break this down for you. Start by running an analysis of your sales data. This is where the 80-20 rule comes into play. Roughly 20% of your products are likely responsible for 80% of your revenue. It's your job to find that top 20%. Here's how you do it. Pull your sales data from your e-commerce platform, sort your products by revenue, and calculate the cumulative total. As soon as you hit 80% of your total revenue, you'll know which products are heavy hitters. Here's another benefit. Concentrating on your top products helps you refine your targeting. With fewer products in your ads, you can test different messaging creatives and audiences more effectively. And don't worry about neglecting the other 80% of your catalog. you can still feature those products organically through email marketing or social media posts. Okay, after that, I want you to adjust your attribution settings for better data. Most advertisers don't even realize that Facebook's default attribution settings are limiting their performance. You see, when you stick to defaults like 1-day click, you're only tracking a narrow slice of your user journey. But 7-day click, 1-day view paints a fuller picture. It captures people who saw your ad but converted later, giving you insights that are more accurate. Also, make sure to select all conversions. This way, while your competitors are making decisions based on incomplete data, you're optimizing for clicks that actually lead to sales. What does this look like in practice? All right, so imagine 2 campaigns. One has a high cost per click, but a great return on ad spend over 7 days. The other looks good at a glance, but doesn't bring in long-term conversions. By analyzing data from the right attribution settings, you'll know where to invest and where to pull back. Alrighty, the next thing you want to do is optimize your ad spend based on day of week performance. Ever notice how some days your ads perform better than others? That's because buyer behavior changes throughout the week. We're all humans, you know what I mean? For example, weekends might see higher sales for products like pet supplies or outdoor gear, while weekdays work better for business tools. Here's what you need to do. Analyze your performance by day of the week. Use Facebook's ad reporting tools to identify which days bring in the most conversions and best return on ad spend. Let's say your analysis shows Fridays and Sundays are your top days. Why spend the same amount on a slow Tuesday when you could be spending on Friday? Adjust your budget to maximize high-performing days and minimize waste on low-performing ones. It's a small change that can have a huge impact. Separate prospecting and retargeting campaigns. Most advertisers lump all their campaigns into one. They'll throw prospecting, retargeting, and even retention efforts into a single campaign and hope for the best. It sounds like a lazy media buyer to me, but these audiences are completely different and they need different approaches. Mixing them together leads to poor results because you can't tailor your ads to specific needs of each group. So what's the smarter way? Run separate campaigns for each audience type. For prospecting, you're looking to attract new people who've never interacted with your brand. This means using broader targeting and creating ads that introduce your product or service in a compelling way. On the other hand, retargeting campaigns should focus on people who already know your brand, know your products, things like that. Like those who visited your website but didn't make a purchase or added something to their cart but didn't check out. These ads can highlight promotions, discounts, or urgency to nudge them toward completing their purchase. And don't forget about retention. If you have loyal customers, create campaigns specifically to keep them engaged. This could include showcasing new products, exclusive offers, or even thanking them for their support. There you have it, 7 strategies to beat your competitors with Facebook ads.
Race. He's a race. I hope I win.
But remember, knowledge without action is useless. The sooner you start implementing these tips, the sooner you'll notice the difference in your campaigns. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more no-fluff marketing strategies. Also, got any tips? Drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.